Hi, I'm Dr. Rhonda Johnson. Today is Saturday, July 19th, 2025. Are you going on a cruise soon? If so, you are part of the boom in cruise ship travel. Industry experts say that in 2025, 37.5 million people will cruise globally, with more cruise lines offering more itineraries, more routes, and more ships. Now, I haven't been on a cruise ship for a while, but I really did love cruising before the pandemic. So let's talk about cruise travel and your health. So far this year, there have been 18 outbreaks of gastrointestinal illness on cruise ships that met the CDC's threshold for public notice, most of them caused by norovirus. Now, that's the same number as in all of last year and more than before the pandemic. See, cruise ships are often linked to stomach bugs, but here's some perspective. Cruise ships account for just 1% of all norovirus outbreaks, and during an outbreak, your odds of catching it are about 1 in 5,500. The real concern on board, folks, are respiratory illnesses like COVID and the flu. The flu is actually the most common medical complaint at sea. So that's why before you travel, it is smart to check in with your doctor. Make sure your vaccines and boosters are up to date. And don't forget to pack your hand sanitizer, your disinfecting wipes, some masks, and perhaps some oral rehydration packets. On board, do practice good hygiene and good cough etiquette. And get plenty of fresh air too. Now here's the part that raises red flags for me. The CDC, which monitors cruise ships in U.S. waters, recently cut most of the staff in its vessel sanitation program, or VSSP. That's the team that inspects cruise ships for cleanliness and health safety. These inspections are not paid for by taxpayer dollars. They're funded by the cruise lines themselves. The good news so far this year, the CDC has already performed surprise inspections on dozens of cruise ships. And the good news is that all have passed. So if you want to check out how your cruise line is doing, you can view CDC inspection scores and reports anytime. Just do an internet search for vessel sanitation scores for cruise ships. The bottom line, folks, enjoy your cruise if you're going, but be prepared and sail smarter. That's my message today. Take care, be well.